Hello and welcome to Steelmade. My name is Annie and today I am going to be unboxing an outdoor chef's kit. Alright, so let's open it up. As with all of our products, we have the biodegradable peanut. To start, I do see with the chef's kit, we have the cooking utensils. So we have the 2 squeeze bottles, a food scraper, a slotted spatula, and then a solid spatula. These are always needed when you're cooking outside or cooking indoors on any type of flat top, so of course you would want these tools. Next we have some flat top oil. This is used to re-season, so after you've cooked and cleaned your flat top, you would then apply a thin layer of this flat top oil and let it cook in a little bit until the flat top completely cools, and then just let it set. And this is what will help create the non-stick seasoning on your flat top. Next, I see a bottle of flat top scrub. So I'm going to open this up and take it out because it's hard to see through the bubble wrapping. This is in a glass jar, so be aware. This is glass and it's in bubble wrapping to protect it. But this is flat top scrub, so this helps to remove any stubborn bits of food from the flat top after you have cooked with it. Okay, great. I see a recipe card. So these recipe cards are included in every one of our packages or kits. It's just something to help you start off. And then we have some information about our products, and then it is a thank you kind of note on here, so feel free to review that and see if there's anything else that you would want if you don't have it in this kit to begin with. Included in the chef's kit is some very delicious FIREBEE honey barbecue sauce. I don't like barbecue sauce, but I love FIREBEE honey barbecue sauce, and I'm not just saying it because we sell it or that I am one of the creators of FIREBEE, but that's why we created it, because I don't like barbecue sauce, but this stuff is good. Then we also have a bottle of FIREBEE spicy honey. FIREBEE spicy honey is good on everything, like literally everything. I have not eaten one thing yet that I don't like this on. So have fun with this. You will probably come back and buy more. Llama Licks. We also include Llama Licks OBBQ Got What I Need. This seasoning is delicious for health reasons. We do not put any anti-caking agent inside of our ingredients for Llama Licks. So it might be a little bit clumpy initially, so you'll want to shake it up or break it up a little bit before you start sprinkling it on. You have your outdoor grill flat top that's on the bottom. This fits about 90% of the grills that are available in the United States. However, if you need a different grill, or if you have a different grill that it may not fit into, please check the dimensions before you purchase. Just contact our support team and ask them what you can do, but I don't think it would be available if it's a custom in a chef's kit, but definitely contact them at info@steelmadeusa.com if you need a bigger or a different size. The manual, please, I beg of you, review the manual. I know a lot of people don't read the manuals. I am a manual reader. I definitely want to know what all of my tools can do and how to use them properly and how to clean them properly because I invest money into these things and I want them to last. This is 3/16 inch American steel. It's very durable. It's made very well here in Kansas. It is not going to break. However, if you don't properly cook on it, you could risk warping it. So I need you to please read the manual on how to preheat, what temperatures to stay with or under, and then also how to clean it properly and how to store it. So the outdoor flat top, like I said, fits most grills. It just slides right in there on top of your grill grates. Fits perfect, works great. And then it has drip tray holes right here. So this is where all your grease would go, and then it has 3 edges on the sides. I love it, keeps all the food contained, keeps all the juices contained. If you do not have a drip tray of some sort, a grease trap in your grill currently, you may want to purchase the optional drip tray. So that we make the drip tray optional on the outdoor flat tops because most grills have some sort of built-in drip tray or grease trap already, and it's unnecessary. As you notice, this is in a plastic bag. It's in a plastic bag and has been oiled to preserve it during shipping. So you will need to clean the oil off with soap and water prior to your first use. After that, you will never use soap on it. I think this is everything you should need for a grill. If you have any questions about this product or any of our Steelmade products, please contact our support team at info@steelmadeusa.com. Feel free to check out the website at steelmadeusa.com. We also have a chat option on there with somebody ready to help most times of the day, so just give that a look if you need to. Thank you and have a great day.